Nakagawa ka na ba ng excuse letter for Miss Universe? And para sa mga merong klase o kaya work bukas, pero mukhang masama talaga ang pakiramdam mo, so ito ang isang sample letter para naman makapag-create ka na ng excuse letter ngayon din. Eto na, yung mga excuse letter na naglalabasan sa mga estudyante o kaya nagtatrabaho na mukhang masama ang kanilang pakiramdam bukas. Kasi siguro nakaramdam talaga ng severe pain o kaya, alam mo yon, kapag meron ka talagang medical condition, kailangan mo talagang gumawa ng excuse letter. Siyempre, disclaimer na I am not encouraging everybody na mag-absent. Diyos ko. Kasi baka ito pa yung reason baka ma-terminate ka o kaya ito yung reason kung baka pwedeng bumaba yung grade mo. Lalo na sa mga estudyante na may remedial class sa Sunday o kaya may work or overtime ka sa Sunday. And syempre, please follow my Instagram account, The Story of Anthony, kasi naka-reach na tayo ng 1,000 followers. I am so happy kahit na small creator lang ako. Thank you so much. Ito na yung letter of excuse para sa bukas. Sabi dito, Sir, dear Sir or Madam, peace and love be with you. The Philippines is one of the powerhouses in the world of pageantry, and each year, our contestants upholds the honor and dignity of our nation. Regarding this, I would like to notify you that I may be unable to attend and report to work on Sunday, November 19, 2023, as I will be watching Hello Universe in the 72nd Miss Universe. Rest assured, I'll be doing my obligations and tasks following that. Not supporting our very own Michelle Marquez D, Miss Universe Philippines 2023 will not only make me a failure as a Filipino. Hoping for your consideration. Thank you. Sincerely yours, Jefferson. O, di ba? So, siyan. Meron pang isang letter of excuse. So, basahin natin. Dear Ma'am, I'm reaching out from under a mountain of blankets with a heavy heart, as I've woken up feeling like a small boat in a storm, body aches, and the onset of a fever that have taken hold. I believe it's the universe's way of telling me to take a breather. So, with regret, I won't be able to join you at school today. I promise to make up for my absence once I've navigated the storm and docked safely back to health. Thank you for your understanding and for sending any get well vibes in my way. Your student, yan, sabihin na natin Gigi. Ito naman yung letter number 3. Ayan, so basahin natin. And ito yung isa sa mga pwede nyong gawin din. Excuse letter. Mr. Enrico V, tapos grade 6 Gumamela Advisor. So, dear Sir, please excuse my son/daughter, blank, yung name of student, for being absent in your class today. Tapos, ilagay nyo yung date because, ayan, sabihin mo yung reason, siguro dahil sudden onset of stomach ache or severe stomach ache, and then reason for absence, tapos, feel free to verify the matter through, ayan, yung contact number, ilagay mo yung contact number mo dito. Medyo nasobrahan lang sa blank dito, no? And then, thank you so much, and I am hoping for your kind consideration. Respectfully yours, ayan, tapos yung signature, and then, yung mother. O, di ba? Kakuntsaba mo pa yung mama mo. Pero, ang pinaka-effective na, pinaka-simple, kung ayaw mo talaga ng satsat, ito na yon. Dear teachers, excuse me. Then, thank you. Tapos, ito na yung pangalan mo. O, di ba? So, pinaka-simple, pinaka-tipid, pero malay mo, effective siya. Kaya, meron ka ng idea. Makikita nyo dito yung glimpse ng preliminary interview. So, collage to ng mga kandidata during their interview. And, if I'm not mistaken, preliminary interview holds probably the largest percentage ng criteria. I think 50 or 60%. Tapos, dun sa gown kasi and swimsuit, it's 20%, mga ganon. You can correct me if I'm wrong, basta mas malaki yung advocacy kasi nga ngayon, kapag nanalo ka, hindi basehan yung ganda lang or yung ganda lang ng katawan, yung mga ganon. Dati, ganon. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Dapat meron ka talagang binubuga. Like, meron kang life story to share. Ikaw yung tao na grabe yung bullying na pinagdaanan mo sa buhay mo na ngayon, Miss Universe ka na. Yung tipong ganon. O kaya na-discriminate ka ng bongga, tapos or lumaki ka sa talagang very humble na familia or background, tapos ngayon Miss Universe ka na. Yung mga ganun na stories ang gusto ng Miss Universe, tapos yung advocacy na ipinaglalaban mo o kaya yung gusto mo talaga na maiparating sa buong mundo na you are very resilient, full of hope, and marami kang natulungang tao. Hindi ganda lang. O, di ba? And basahin naman natin yung isa sa mga latest message ni Miss D. Ayan, MMD verse. Sabi niya dito, that feeling I wait for every time I compete, it's here. We'll need all of your prayers for tomorrow. So hashtag Laban Pilipinas. We may not have the loudest cheers at the venue tomorrow, but we'll always have the strongest and most united Bayanihan spirit. Ayan, tas mahal ko kayo. And then I'm releasing my best ever produced video for the most important fight of my life. I'm so proud of it. I know you all will love it. It literally brought the whole world team to tears. O, diba? Kaya, abangan natin kung ano yung video na to. Habang gumagawa ng iba ng excuse letter, may paalala lang ako na huwag pairali ng ugaling kanal kasi inuulit ko, may nag-message kasi sa isang beauty queen na porke hindi kasali yung top 20 niya si Philippines ay biglang pinairal yung ugaling kanal. Minessage pa naman si Jimena Navarrete na grabe no, grabe yung pagkahanas na. Tapos hindi niya ina-expect na magre-reply sa kanya si Jimena Navarrete. So, grabe nakakahiya yung ganitong ugaling kanal. Buti na lang, may mga naka-screenshot, nakabasa, and minessage nila in goodwill si Jimena Navarrete. Syempre, kasi dapat na ipakita natin yung kindness campaign. And nag-reply na naman si Jimena Navarrete, no? Kaya, alam nyo guys, kapag nagbabash kayo ng candidate just because wala ang Philippines sa listahan nila, so be it. It's their choice. May karapatan silang mag-decide kung ano yung, or kung sino yung mga bet nila, di ba? Kasi wala rin naman tayong karapatan na pagbawalan sila. It's because it's their free will. Ayan. Kaya whether you like it or not, hindi lahat ay Pasko, hindi lahat ay pwedeng isusubo sa'yo. Yung mga ganon na kataga. Kaya let's all respect, and masasayang lang talaga yung pinagpaguran ng kindness campaign natin kapag pinapairal yung ugaling kanal talaga. Kaya iwasan natin yon, and let's promote kindness campaign. And naggalit na nga si Jimena Navarrete, na imbear na siya. So basahin natin yung sabi niya, "You can't be this mad just because you don't see your candidate. All of the contestants, like all of them, have great causes. Work really hard to be there and to win. If you see my top 20, you will find a mother, dark-skinned woman, Arab woman, Asian woman, Latin woman, etc. I won't keep the top 20 that I like to myself. This is my page and I post whatever I want to post and give my own opinion. You speak about inclusion, and funny thing, you want me to post what you think I should post. I'm sorry, you are not okay, and you can't comment in my page anymore." Na-imbiar na siya, as in. So, totoo lang, no? Kapag ganitong pagkakalat, pwedeng maapektuhan. There's a possibility na puputok yung mga ganitong eskandalo, and then makakarating sa mga staff dahil sa pagiging ugaling kanalyo. Imbes na mapunta tayo sa top 3 sa Voice for Change, baka top 10 lang. Just because of this particular na pagkakalat na nag-message kayo sa mga candidates or queens dahil lang hindi na isali sa mga top 10 nila yung candidate natin. So nakakahiya talaga. Kaya as much as possible talaga, iwasan natin yung mga ganitong attitude. Be always positive, and let this be a lesson to everybody na nakakahiya ang ganitong asal. But anyway, I am still hoping for the best na makapasok siya sa top 20 para naman tuloy-tuloy ang ating ligaya and ang placement natin. Kasi mukhang maganda ang taon natin sa pageantry ngayon. And I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa video. Ayan, tungkol sa kindness campaign. And sana subaybayan niyo pa din ako after ng pageant. Patapos na ang pageant. Grabe. Magiging busy tayo bukas sa panonood and gagawa ng reaction video, and baka mamaya short live tayo about sa top 5. O, di ba? Okay, you can suggest kung ano pa yung pwede nating i-tackle sa comment section, and I would like to hear it from you kung ano pa yung gusto nyong i-suggest na i-vlog natin. Anyway, that's it all for now. Ayan, mag-rest tayo ng bongga kasi panibagong bakbakan na naman bukas. So, thank you so much. Have a nice day and think positive.